Can a simple egg help protect your brain from Alzheimer's disease? A new research study has found that people who eat eggs regularly may have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Let us explore what the study discovered and why scientists are interested in this connection. Researchers followed nearly 40,000 adults aged 65 years and older over many years. They found that people who ate eggs regularly had a 17 to 27% lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. The greatest benefit was seen in people who consumed eggs 5 or more times per week. One possible reason is choline. Egg yolks are one of the richest natural sources of this nutrient. Choline helps the brain produces acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that is essential for memory, learning, and communication between nerve cells. Healthy acetylcholine levels are important for good brain function. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Scientists believe that reducing these harmful processes may help support brain health as we age. Another important nutrient in eggs is vitamin B12. This vitamin supports healthy nerve cells and helps control homocysteine levels in the blood. High homocysteine levels have been linked to cognitive decline and memory problems. Some eggs contain omega 3 fatty acids, which help maintain healthy brain cell membranes. Omega 3s are known to support cognitive function and may play a role in preserving memory and overall brain health. It is important to understand that this was an observational study. The research found a link between egg consumption and lower Alzheimer's risk, but it does not prove that eggs directly prevent the disease. Other healthy lifestyle habits may also contribute to the observed benefits. Eggs can be a part of healthy, balanced diet that support brain health. However, the best protection against Alzheimer's disease include regular exercise, quality sleep, controlling blood pressure and diabetes, and staying mentally active, maintaining an overall healthy lifestyle. Small healthy choices today may help protect your brain for the future. Thank you.